By 2030, the world will look very different. Artificial intelligence is growing faster than anyone expected. Machines are learning. Robots are improving. Software is becoming smarter than humans in many tasks. The scary truth? Millions of jobs may disappear before 2030, and your job might be one of them. Today, we're counting down the 10 jobs most likely to vanish in the next few years. Let's begin. Data entry clerks. Data entry is simple, repetitive work. Typing numbers, updating spreadsheets, copying information. AI software can now complete hours of data work in just minutes. Companies save time, companies save money, and that means fewer humans are needed. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines are already everywhere. Walk into a modern supermarket. You scan, you pay, you leave. No cashier needed. By 2030, fully automated stores could become normal. Telemarketers. AI voice systems now sound almost human. They can call customers, answer questions, sell products, and they never get tired. No breaks, no salary, no mistakes. That makes human telemarketers highly replaceable. Truck drivers. Self-driving technology is improving every year. Autonomous trucks are already being tested on highways. Imagine delivery trucks driving 24/7 without a driver. Safer, cheaper, more efficient. By 2030, many driving jobs could disappear. Bank tellers. Online banking is growing fast. Most people now use mobile apps for sending money, paying bills, checking balance. Physical bank visits are decreasing. AI chatbots now handle customer support. Fewer bank employees are needed. Travel agents. Planning trips used to require experts. Now, AI can build full travel plans in seconds. Flights, hotels, activities, all automated. Travel agencies are slowly becoming digital platforms. Warehouse workers. Large companies already use robots in warehouses. Robots can pick items, pack boxes, move products. They work 24 hours without rest. Automation in logistics is growing rapidly. Basic content writers. AI can now write articles, video scripts, product descriptions, social media captions in seconds. Basic writing tasks are at high risk. Only creative and strategic writers may survive. Basic graphic designers. AI image generators can now create logos, posters, thumbnails, social media posts in minutes. Simple design work is becoming automated. Designers must move toward creativity and branding strategy. Customer support representatives. AI chatbots now handle millions of customer questions every single day. They reply instantly, they work 24/7, they cost much less. Human support agents are slowly being replaced. But here's the truth. AI is not the enemy, it's a tool. The real risk is refusing to adapt. The future will not belong to the strongest. It will belong to the most adaptable. If you want to survive 2030, learn AI tools, build creative skills, focus on strategy, leadership, and innovation, because the future is coming faster than you think. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more future insights, and comment below, which job do you think will disappear first? See you in the next video.